Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is James calling from Dividend Stock Talk, where we talk about dividend stocks just for the fun of it. Why? Because we like to have our monthly income. Well, it is Thursday, September 28th, 11:34 p.m. What are we doing up so late? I don't know. This is late. This is early. I don't know. It's different for everyone. Anyway, let's see what happened today in the market because we only had 2 orders come in from last night. What we tried to do, tried to buy, let's just jump right on in. Come on. Tried to buy MasterCard and we tried to buy ABBV, but we didn't seem to get ABBV for some strange reason. So why is that? Let's find out. What happened to ABBV? Cancel order. Make a duplicate order. Why not? Let's create a duplicate order. Buy it first thing in the morning. Yeah, why not? Wait a second. Before I do that, let's see where that thing went today. I'm gonna buy something we're not even looking where it is. ABBV. Here we go. And there, right, let's start from the beginning. Let's get out of here and go to 1 day, 1 year. So here we are. She starts out the year in traveling in a trading range between 60 and 64. Okay, she does that for about 5 months. Jumps up to 65, travels that for 2.5 months. Jumps up to 71, does that for 2.5 months, and jumps to where she is today at the 86, 87 area. She even jumped into 88.96. Wow, really? That's why we didn't get anything on that one. She just jumped right up. So if you guys were paying attention this morning, and you're actually watching as the stock opened, maybe you could have looked at it and said, well, I don't know, maybe yes, maybe no, make up your own mind. But me, I said it, forget it, move on. There's another trade tomorrow, maybe next week, who knows? Well, it doesn't look like we're going to do ABBV because I don't like gap ups or gap downs that quick, and I don't really want to quickly jump in. Because eventually this gap is going to fill. Is it going to fill now? I don't know, because you get 10 days until the EX date, which means they're paying a dividend in the next 2 weeks. So some people, there'll be a lot of investors flocking to this just to jump on in to get part of this company. All right, or to get part of their share of the dividend. So I'm going to pass on this one. Just for the fun of it, let me just throw this one in there. Send that one off to the races. I don't think it's going to go anywhere, but who knows? Set it up as an order. Okay, so MasterCard got filled today. That's good. So let's find out the orders that we do have available at the moment. Okay, ABB, we just put that order in. So BMY, let's find out where Bristol Myers Squibb is. BMY, here we go. Booyah, 6301. Okay, we did all this yesterday. She starts out the year trading 53. The range is between 52 and 56, something like that, almost for the whole year. But for the last couple of weeks, she jumped up to the 63 area, and she closed at 6301, which we are looking for this thing to go 63 or higher by tomorrow. Okay, that way, I don't remember exactly what our profit was going to be if this thing goes higher than that, but we will see. So that's good that it's over 63. That's great. CAH, isn't that some health insurance place? I don't know. All right, so she starts out the year at 77, slowly finds a low of the year at 62. It's about 5 weeks. She gets down to 62, jumps up to a trading range of 70, trades that for about a little over a month, jumps up to 73, trades for about a month, gets up to 75, trades for a month and a half, and then she jumps up to 80, 81, 82, and trades there for almost 2 months. Drops back down to 72 for 2 months, jumps up to 77 for almost 2 months, and then gaps down from 77 down to 70. It's like a 10% drop. Anyway, All that being said and done, here's where we are. CAH closed at 66.97. And where are we? 66.97. Oh. All right, so as long as she's at 66.50 or above, we are good to go. Okay, so 66.97. All right. 66.5 or above, we're good. All right, so CAH is good. Let's check out Comcast, CSA, Comcast Corporation. All right, she starts out at 33, finds a low of 30 in a couple of weeks, and then she takes a couple of months to find the high of the year at 42, traveled sideways for quite a bit, and then dropped from 41 down to the trading range of 37, where she is now at 37.82. And where are we? 37.82. As long as she stays above 37.5. So if tomorrow's a good day, great. But if not, we'll have to keep an eye on that one. All right, CSCO, Cisco. Now Cisco had an update today. That's good. Starts out the year at 31. Drops to a trading range of 30. Travels that way about 4 or 5 months. Even finds the low of the year at 29. After, the second week of January, third week of January, she jumps up to a trading range of 34. Travels that way for about 4 or 5 months, and then she gaps down from 34 to 31. It's not a huge gap down. It's not like a 10% gap down. Then she travels sideways for the next 6 months, and she's trying to peak at 33, 35. And where are we with Cisco? $33 and a half. Ooh, she's at 33.35, so we're below. Okay, that's probably at our break-even point. So we're going to keep our eye on Cisco tomorrow morning and find out what's going to happen with them. Because that don't make me happy kappa. All right, MasterCard had an update today, and that's great. All right, so she starts out the year at 100, trades sideways for about 3 or 4 months, 3 months, 102 area, and then goes from there straight up. So she hits a 140 area. She's been going sideways for the past couple of weeks, and she's at 140.20. And where are we with MasterCard? We got the 138, 139, so we're good to go. And that was our trade that we did yesterday. I think it was a 20% trade. I'm not 100% sure. But Oracle's the last one we're looking at. This will be position number 6. Oracle opened up at 39, traded for about 4 months, jumps up to 44, trades there for about 4 months, gaps up from 45 to 50, and is trading sideways for quite a while. Now, she had a high of the year at 53, and then she had a huge gap down to 48, which is where she is now. And where are we with Oracle? 47, 47 and a half. So, booyah, every position but one. We got one we need to keep our eye on tomorrow. That's a good thing. Let me quickly check for questions. No questions. Gotta love it. All right, let's get back to our trading here. So, got no questions. Tomorrow's Friday. What are we looking at for Friday? CAH. Now, you should have been out of CAH today, so let's take a look at what CAH is doing. CAH. Okay, CAH started out the year at 76, traded sideways for about a month, dropped down to find a low at 62. That was right after the election. From there, took a few months to hit the high of the year at 84. Traded sideways for a couple of weeks, and then she gaps down from 81 to 72. It's like what was that, $9 drop, a little over 10%. Goes sideways for a little bit at 73, 72, up to 78, 77, and goes sideways for a couple months and drops way down to where she is today. Now, tomorrow is the 29th, which I believe is the last day, it's the last trading day of this month. Saturday is the last day of the month, which that would be tomorrow is the last trading day of the third quarter. So the third quarter ends tomorrow. Wow, okay. I just realized that. Sorry. So the third quarter ends tomorrow. Monday starts the first day of the fourth quarter. All right, so already into the fourth quarter. Okay, so that's CAH. We should have been out of there, so which means 10 days ago we should have gotten in. So this was 10, 9, 8. All right, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right there. All right. Is that right? That's not right. Right there. That's 10 days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you should have been out today. Okay, so it's a 46 cents dividend. Now, they're going EX tomorrow, which means if you wanted to collect a dividend on this, you should have bought it today. Today was the last day. Okay, so you buy it tomorrow, not going to do you any good. Okay, tomorrow's the last day of trades before the stock is actually, before the dividend's actually paid out. Okay, so we're looking for a 46-cent increase from the opening of this day. The opening was 67.57. So we're going to add 46 to that, and we're going to come to 67. 67.43. Yeah. Okay, she opened at 67.57 and the high was 67.90. We want to add the 46 cents, which is the dividend, to the opening price 10 days ago. Because see, the first time you would have gotten wind of investing for CAH was 10 days ago, 10 trading days ago, which if you look at the calendar, the 29th is tomorrow, which you see the 29th is CAH 10 prior days. Okay, this is 5 days, is 10 days, or the 15th. So you would have gotten in on the 15th, which is right there. So the opening price was 67.57. Okay, you want to take the 67.57, the opening price, O, opening, H, the high of the day, L, low of the day, C, close of the day. I don't know what that is. All right, anyway. All right, I'm going to add 46 cents to it. Okay, so you got 67.57. Add 46 cents. What do you get? You get 68.03. Isn't that right? Yeah, it's 67.57 and 46 cents. You add the 6 to the 7, that gives you 13. Carry the 1, 5, 4 makes 1. You bring it up over, it's 68.03. Did I hit the 68.03? No. Did I hit 68.03? No. So that's 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days before you actually reach the mark. But it did it. Okay. Anyway, it's 10 minutes to 12. Almost tomorrow. So, that being said, let's figure out what we'll do tomorrow. We're not really not going to do anything tomorrow because there is no trades for us to do tomorrow. Okay? Looking at the 13th of October. And there isn't anything. We looked at these yesterday. Okay? Didn't do us any good. So, all that being said, it's a relatively easy week tomorrow. We're just looking at the 6 trades. ABBV, it's a shot in the dark. Do we think we're going to get it? No, I don't think we're going to get it. Not at 80 cents for where it is. Come on, for one day? Hey, wishful thinking. Probably ain't going to happen. But the rest of them are all making money. All of them but one. That's the one we have to keep our eye on, and that's what we're going to do tomorrow at 3:30. Be back here at 3:30 because every Friday between 3 and 3:15, we come in to check and see how the market's doing to figure out what positions need to be adjusted. And hopefully that one that we're down just a little bit won't need too much tweaking to get back into the right place where we are. And hopefully the market will stay where it is. I want you to just go sideways. Stay where it is. That's it. Stay where it is. If it stays where it is, we make money. Okay, remember, stocks only move three ways: up, down, sideways. And if you have all three going for you, you're most likely going to make money. That's why we are shooting for 1% per week. And we've been doing pretty good at it. Okay? So, that being said, I'm going to catch you tomorrow. So, have a great day, and I will see what you guys have to say tomorrow. Make sure everything's going good. So, peace out.